back to social class. I hope you have completed all the activities that we discussed in the last video. Which were they? Activity number 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. Have you completed? Yes. Now we will move on to the next activity, that is activity number 1.5. Activity number 1.5 has got two questions. In the first question, you need to write the definition of joint family, nuclear family and single parent family. I have already given you the definition and we have written it in our notebooks. So you can write the same answer in your textbook also. The second question in activity number 1.5 is a coloring activity. Okay, page number 10. Here are a few words related to families. Some of them are common to all families, that we call it as similarities. Common ആയിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് നമ്മൾ similarities എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. While some are not common. Common അല്ലാത്തതോ, that we call it as differences. Color the similarities in pink and the differences with yellow color. So you need to color the similarities with pink color and you have to color the differences in yellow color. ഇവിടെ കുറേ വേർഡ്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഗ്രാറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ്, ടോളറൻസ്, ഷെയറിംഗ്, number of members staying together. So you need to read all these things, think for a while and you need to color whether this is a similarity or is this a difference. Number of members പറയുമ്പോൾ എന്താ, number of members will not be the same in all the families. So you need to color that with yellow color. And what about sharing, caring, loving, that we have already studied. All these are similar, so you need to color all these words with pink color. Will you do it? Okay. Now we will take up the next activity, that is 1.6. 1.6, the activity is based on families with working parents. When do we call a family as family with working parents? When both father and mother go for work, we call such family as family with working parents. So page number 11, activity number 1.6. What are the different deeds our parents carry out to take care of us? Brainstorm with a partner and list any three. Okay, you need to discuss it with your friend or the one who is sitting next to you if you were in a class. Now you are not coming to the school, so you need to think about it and you have to write the answer. Just think, what are the ways that parents നമ്മളെ care ചെയ്യുന്നത്? How do they take care of us? Think about it. Yes, they give us healthy food. They provide us healthy food. They provide us clothing. What do you mean by clothing? Dress, അല്ലേ? ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ വരുമ്പോഴും ശരി, നമ്മൾ സ്കൂളിൽ പോകുമ്പോഴും യൂണിഫോം, അല്ലേ? അങ്ങനെ ഓരോ ഒക്കേഷൻ വരുമ്പോൾ പിന്നെ വീട്ടിലിടാനായിട്ട്, അല്ലേ? They buy so many clothes for us. So they provide healthy food, they provide clothing, they provide good education. Good education നമുക്ക് തരുന്നില്ലേ? Now where you are studying? You are studying in Gurukulam. The Gurukulam is good at academics, arts, sports, അല്ലേ? എല്ലാ ഫീൽഡിലും നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂള് സൂപ്പർ അല്ലേ? So they have selected such a good school for what? എന്തിനാണ് ഗുരുകുലം സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തത്? Yes, to provide you good education. Yes, so parents provide us healthy food, parents provide us clothing, parents provide us good education. So you need to write all these things in your studio. As soon as you watch the video, please take your books and write the answers. Now we will move on to the next activity, activity number 1.7. This activity is based on the conversation between Neha and her mother. You remember Neha? Who is Neha? Yes, Neha lives next to Roshan. അല്ലേ, നമ്മുടെ ലാസ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോയിൽ കണ്ടില്ലേ, നേഹയും റോഷനും കോൺവേഴ്സ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് നമ്മൾ കേട്ടു അല്ലേ. യെസ്, നേഹ ഈസ് ലിവിങ് ഇൻ എ സിംഗിൾ പാരന്റ് ഫാമിലി. നേഹ ഈസ് ലിവിങ് വിത്ത് ഹർ മദർ. ഡു യു റിമെമ്പർ? യെസ്. സോ take page number 12 and follow when I read the text. Okay. Neha's mother works too. Let us see what happened at Neha's place on Saturday. Observe the pictures and answer the questions. One Saturday morning, Neha is telling to her mother, "Mom, it is boring to sit at home on a Saturday. Let's go for a movie today." Mom, it is boring to sit at home on a holiday. Let's go for a movie today. നേഹ എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? ഒരു ഹോളിഡേ ആയിട്ട് വീട്ടിലിരിക്കുന്നത് ബോറിംഗ് ആണ്, നമുക്കൊരു മൂവിക്ക് പോയാലോ എന്ന് നേഹ ഈസ് ആസ്കിങ്. വാട്ട് ഇസ് എ മദർ ഇസ് ടെല്ലിങ്? നേഹ, ഐ ആം സോ സോറി. I have to go to work today. I have an important meeting with my team members. When I return, I have got to water the plants too. What is she telling? ഓഫീസിൽ ടീം മെമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ കൂടെ മീറ്റിംഗ് ഉണ്ട്, തിരിച്ച് വീട്ടിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ ചെടികളൊക്കെ നനയ്ക്കണം, അങ്ങനെ ഒരുപാട് പണിയുണ്ട്, അതുകൊണ്ട് നടക്കില്ല എന്ന് പറയണം. ഓക്കെ. Oh no, that is not good news. What is Neha is telling? Neha is happy hearing that? No, Neha is feeling very bad that she will not be able to go out for a movie as Mama has got a lot of work to do, both at office and also at home. Right? So, Neha started thinking and she got an idea. What could that be? എന്ത് ഐഡിയ ആയിരിക്കും കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക? Yes, Neha thought of helping her mother. അമ്മയെ വീട്ടിലത്തെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഒരു ഐഡിയ തോന്നി. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? നേഹ told about this idea to her mother. Neha shared her idea with her mother, and what did Neha's mom tell? Thank you, Neha. That will help save a lot of time. You are very kind. Yes, we can go for the movie now. As Neha told that she will help her in all her work, Neha's mother was so happy that she could complete the work and go for a movie with Neha, and Neha was also happy about this. Looks like everything worked out fine. ഇപ്പം എന്തായി? എല്ലാം ഭംഗിയായി അല്ലേ? അമ്മയുടെ കാര്യത്തിൽ നേഹ സഹായിക്കുന്നു, സമയം കിട്ടുന്നു, മൂവിക്ക് പോകും അല്ലേ? സോ ഐ തിങ്ക് നൗ യു വിൽ ബി ഏബിൾ ടു ആൻസർ ദീസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ? വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് നേഹ want to do on her holiday? What could be the answer? Neha wanted to go for a movie on a holiday. Second question, how do you think Neha felt about her mother's reply in the first image? Mother is telling that she doesn't have time. She has got a lot of work to do, both at office and at home. എന്തായിരിക്കും നേഹയുടെ ഫീലിംഗ്? അത് യു ഹാവ് ടു തിങ്ക് ആൻഡ് റൈറ്റ്. നേഹ would have felt bad that mother has got lot of work to do. അല്ലേ? അമ്മയ്ക്ക് സമയമില്ലല്ലോ, നിറയെ പണിയുണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ അല്ലേ? സോ നേഹ felt sad that she will not be able to go out with her mother. How would you feel if you were Neha? Use an adjective to describe the feeling. നിങ്ങൾ പ്ലേസിലായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും ഫീൽ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക? ദാറ്റ് യു നീഡ് ടു റൈറ്റ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് യുവർ തേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഫോർത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, what do you think would have been the simple solution that Neha suggested that made everyone happy? Fill in the speech bubble. ഇവിടെ പിക്ചറിൽ നേഹയ്ക്ക് കിട്ടിയ ഐഡിയ എന്താണെന്ന് നമ്മൾ എഴുതണം. എന്തായിരുന്നു? എന്താ പറഞ്ഞ ടീച്ചർ? യെസ്, നേഹ സജസ്റ്റഡ് ദാറ്റ് she will help her mother in all her work. That you need to write in page number 12 in the speech where the space has been given. In that space you need to write what Neha has suggested. Will you all do it? Okay. The next activity is 1.9, page number 16. This activity is based on the topic changes within the family. ഈ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ടീച്ചറുടെ ചേഞ്ചസ് വിതിൻ ദ ഫാമിലി എന്ന വീഡിയോ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, അത് നമുക്ക് വാച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇത് എഴുതി തീർക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ യു ക്യാൻ ടേക്ക് 1.9 ആസ് യുവർ ഹോം ടാസ്ക്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഈസ് 1.10. It is very simple and you can take it up as your home task. What is the question? Let me explain to you what is the activity all about. Observe the following images. Identify whether you have experienced some of these changes. Reflect on how you felt or would feel if these changes happen to you. Many situations have been given to you. That is, trying a new dish for breakfast, getting a new haircut, you're shifting your house, you are shifting to a new school. All this other situation, you have to write whether you have come across such situation, and you can use the words or smileys to describe how you feel. Okay, if you're feeling very happy, you can put a smiley there. Okay, and if you're feeling sad, you can write some words describing how you would feel when you come across this situation. Will you all do it? This is a very simple activity that you can do it of yourself. And the last activity that we are going to discuss is activity number 1.12. This is our last activity that I will explain to you. The match the changes in a family to the possible way it can affect us. They have given you the situation on one side and what are the changes that can happen they have given in the other side. You need to match the situation with the changes that can happen. Okay. Now we will do activity number 1.12. On one side, situations are given. The other side, the changes are given. So you need to match these two things. What is the first situation? Marriage in the family. So what could be the change? Yes, get to spend time with a new member in the family. That is the last option on the right side. Next is new pet in the house. So when new pet comes to our house, what will be the change? We will have more work. We need to take care of it, right? So have more responsibilities. New job for a parent. What could be the change? He might go to a new place. So may move to a new place. The next situation is someone is sick. Need to be more caring and helpful. The last one is starting music lessons. What could it can bring change? What is the change it could bring? Yes, a chance to participate in competition. Understood? Yes. Now you can see the correct answers, and I think this will help you to do this activity in your studio. Will you all do it? Yes. The next is about the concept map. Shall we try to do it? Yes. Now we will do the concept map. Working parents or stay-at-home parents. Parents can be any one of these two types, right? Either the parents may stay at home or both the parents might go for work. So then we have the types on one side and changes within the family on the other side. Under the types, we can write, what are the three types that we have discussed? Nuclear family, joint family and single parent family, right? Okay, what about changes? You can write any 3 or 4 changes that we have discussed in the video. It could be marriage in the family, new pet in the family, or you can write shifting to a new school, shifting to a new home. You can write all these changes as examples. Will you all do it? Okay. Now you can see the answers. You can write this in your studio. Okay? I hope you understood all the activities that we discussed today. Try to do all the activities. If you have any doubts, you can always call me. I am there to help you. Okay? See you soon in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.